Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can close your store on Shopify's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To close your Shopify store, firstly go ahead and launch open your Shopify application. The home page of Shopify application will appear on the screen. Click on your store name at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, select the store that you'd like to close and tap on three dots right next to your store name. From the pop-up, tap on Remove Store option. This is how you can close store on Shopify quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.